this is Susie. Welcome back. So glad you're here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Today we're making a wonderful dish called the Tex Mex bean layer dip. Yep, it's from Texas and Mexico. It's a combination of everything. And we love to use this alongside of our enchilada recipe, which you can go and take a look at that recipe as well. Our beef enchiladas are our famous beef enchiladas, but today we're doing the Tex Mex bean layer dip. So I have everything laid out for us, and it is a layered dip that you would use chips with. So we start with 1 can of the refried beans, any type that you really like. And you can use all of it or a portion of it. I'm going to use probably about 2/3 of it. Just spread it all over the bottom of your dish. And I like to use a rectangular or an oval type of a platter. Not huge like a Thanksgiving big old platter for turkey, but something that's this size, a little bit bigger than your lasagna pan. You get all this layered down on your pan and on your serving tray. Once you get it out of the can, just start smashing it down all into the corners and the ends and sides. Don't bring it all the way to the edge though, because we have something special that we're going to trim out the edge with. So just get this down in the middle and layer it out about even the same across the bottom. And it's not the easiest step to work with, I'll tell you. So keep working with it and you'll get it down in there. Now, I just must say, I'm not fond of refried beans, but I absolutely love this Tex Mex bean layer dip. It's amazing. You've got to try it. And when you try it, let me know what you think. And did you like it? Did your guests like it? We have our family coming over tonight. My wonderful granddaughter Serenity is here from Washington State, and she's here for a long time, a couple weeks. We're excited about having her here, and then the rest of the family's coming over tonight for a Mexican meal. We always play games, sit around the table. We talk about all sorts of wild things, funny things, sad things, happy things. All right, so I've got this pretty smooth. That took a while, but we got it down. Now, I'm not going to use this spatula again. I've got a couple extra ones just in case I need them. So I'm going to set this one aside. The next thing you put down is your guacamole. Now, I've already pre-made my guacamole with 2 avocados, and I'll do a video on that, on how I make my avocado, my guacamole. And that's the next thing that you're going to spread down. It doesn't have to go all the way to the edge of the refried beans that are here, but you want every finger licking good stuff out of this bowl. In fact, I might come back and lick that with my finger later. So let's just put that down and smear this around. You know, cooking's all about smearing, dumping, folding. A lot of great words. So we're getting this around. Nice. And my husband's not crazy about avocados or guacamole. He wishes he was, but he just has not a fan. My son hated this stuff for years and years, and then now he's in love with it. So I don't know what happens to those old taste buds in the mouth, but they change. Now, we've got our second layer. Beans, guacamole. Then here's the secret. This is sour cream with taco seasoning mix. So get one of those bags of taco seasoning mix, sprinkle it into your sour cream, and stir it really good. So you can see it's slightly turned. It's not white any longer. It's got a little shade of brown in there from that delicious taco seasoning mix. I'm going to get the recipe and put it into the description of this video, so you'll have all the ingredients and the amounts. I'm not going to deal with that right now, but again, I might lick this bowl later, but we'll set that aside. Now, smooth out your sour cream. This is the easiest one to smooth. Get it around. All right, this really only takes a few minutes to make, And you can set it into the refrigerator right before your guests come and then pull it out, put a bag of chips or a bowl of chips right beside it. Really good tortilla chips. I would have normally just like done that with my finger, but I'm not going to do that for you. Now, this is what makes it beautiful. We're going to add some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, and we're going to add some grated cheese on the top. So it looks just nice and soft. You don't have to cover it totally, just a nice sprinkling of the cheese. Just do it all over. You notice I'm leaving the edge still of my platter is still bare, but we're going to finish it off in a minute with something. So we've got our tomatoes. And so do you know why a tomato was embarrassed? It's because he saw the salad dressing. Yay for jokes. Okay, so we've got the tomatoes. I've just sliced some cherry tomatoes. I'm sprinkling them on top to make this whole thing look great. And if I have too many cut up, I'll save them for my spinach salad that I usually have for lunch. Keeping all of these tomatoes in the center. If you're really into black olives, you can put sliced black olives on here. You could add cilantro if you like that. My family doesn't like cilantro. Now, we're going to add the finishing touch right around the edge of this platter, and that's shredded lettuce. With the shredded lettuce, I'm going to take it carefully. Let's move it out of the way. And I'm holding my hand against the edge so it doesn't fall on the counter. And I'm just sprinkling it along the edge to trim it out with this really pretty green look. So you've got the green and you've got the red, you've got the white. Gosh, this is looking so pretty. I didn't need these spatulas, so I'll set those aside. I just keep turning my platter so that I can get my hands in the right position to sprinkle this. Look how gorgeous this looks. And I just shredded my own lettuce, but you can buy a bag of shredded lettuce. I've got a few pieces along the edge. Look at that. How beautiful is that? All right, now I need to clean up and I'm going to get some tortilla chips and dive in. All right, we've just finished our Tex Mex bean layer dip. I'll have the recipe in the bottom of the description of the video. Please make sure you like and subscribe. But now I want to try these multi-grain tortilla chips, gluten-free from Aldi's. These are our favorite chips. They're wonderful. So the goal with this, you can use these or those scoop chips. But the idea is to go deep and big and get a huge bite. So here we go. I'm getting the beans, the avocado, the sour cream, the cheese. Whoop, we need a tomato. Tomato, and here goes. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't even talk, they're so good. Give me the tomato again. So why was the tomato embarrassed? Because he saw the salad dressing. Bye now. Make it. Let me know how it tastes.